Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Zscaler. This is ticker ZS. Now, ZS is forming a cup without a handle. You can see that we hit resistance here in July, slammed up around the 318 level, have pulled back under the 50-day moving average, but since recovered back to that previous breakout zone. And so I definitely see this cup pattern, and I want to see a breakout through 318.50 coming on volume. So I would have an alert here on Zscaler at 318.50 and look for a momentum move through that level coming on volume. Now, what might happen is we might actually stall out in and around resistance. Like, it wouldn't be out of the realm of possibility to just kind of chop around this level and base right under that 318 or 320 level before a potential break higher. So I would be open to both setups here, be open to a potential momentum move through 318.50 or a bit of a handle to develop and then a breakout through that 318.50 level or around 320, depending on where resistance comes in. So this is just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. And if you're trading alone, you shouldn't be. You should come join our elite group of traders just like you from all over the world over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. I'll see you next time.